This is the weekly news from ICU Management and Practice. The World Health Organization says Europe is now the epicenter of the pandemic despite vaccines. There has been more than a 50% jump in coronavirus cases across Europe in the last month, and hospitalisation rates more than doubled during the last week. If the region continues at this rate, it is predicted that it could see another 500,000 pandemic deaths by February. Last week, a California judge ruled against several large counties that accused 4 drug makers of fueling the opioid epidemic in the US. As per the tentative ruling, Johnson & Johnson, Teva Pharmaceuticals, Endo International and AbbVie Inc. are not liable. This is the first trial win for any drug companies in the lawsuits filed by state and local governments over a drug abuse crisis. The judge said there was no evidence that the promotional activities of the drug makers resulted in any medically inappropriate prescriptions. Pfizer says its COVID-19 pill can reduce the risk of being hospitalized or dying by 89% if taken within 3 days of developing symptoms. Pfizer's CEO, Albert Bourla, said the pill could eliminate up to 9 out of 10 hospitalizations if authorized. However, Merck is already ahead of Pfizer, with its COVID-19 pill already authorized for use in the UK and its application submitted to the FDA. Demonstrators around the world are demanding action on climate change. People in almost every continent gathered for marches and rallies last weekend to mark a global day for climate justice. The recent Glasgow Climate Change Summit also saw some action, with the climate action group Scientist Rebellion blocking the King George V Bridge. Demonstrators around the world continue to express their dissatisfaction with politicians and say they have failed to tackle the climate emergency with the required urgency.